So in this section we will talk about all the variables that are used for visualization. Now when the Simone Arena write the article, so in that the evaluation, or we should say evaluating the effectiveness and efficiency of visual variables for geographic information visualization. Now when we are talking about geographic information, it is typically multivariate spatial data that can be either in 4 dimensional, 3 dimensional or 4 dimensional display. So this process is typically performed by applying the scientific cartographic design methods that should be systematic, transparent and reproducible, as well as aesthetic accessibility visual means. So he written in his article and lists 7 basic visual variables and presents the effects of varying the perceptual properties of the visual variables in order to derive the meaningful representation. In that the retinal variables are there, in that size, the orientation, we can see the color saturation, the color hue, what can be the shape, texture. So these are the retinal variables. Now the types of visual variables. So for that the 2 planar variables and 5 retinal variables which we have seen that are totally used for visualization. So the 5 retinal variables we have seen, that is size, color value, color hue, shape and orientation. So that all can be translated as pre-attentive because that has been listed individually for the representation. Now the types of visual variables in that: selective, associative and ordered. When we are talking about selective, example we can take as color hue. When we are talking about associative, we can take it as shape and order. So the visual variable is selective and therefore fundamental for symbolization of data if all the symbols can be easily isolated to form a group of similar symbols based on this variable. Then Bertin contains that shape and orientation that are not selective. Then conversely the visual variable is called as associative if it allows to perceptually group all the categories of symbols that are based on the particular visual characteristics. Only the visual variable size and color value are said to have the perceptual characteristics. The visual variable is defined ordered if it is possible to perceptually rank the symbols that are based on one of the particular characteristic. So the approach includes bottom-up visual saliency methods. So the proposed methods are supplied for the assessment of 4 commonly used visual variables, that is size, color hue, then the color value and the orientation. So according to that, the effectiveness of mapping. So the mapping from data to renderable representation is necessary, and in that the most important part is visualization. So the possible visualization representations are position, orientation, size, shape, brightness and color. But when we are talking about the effectiveness of mapping, so the efficiency and effectiveness depends on input data, that is nominal, ordinal, quantitative, that should have the good visual design, that is based on psychology and psychophysics. Then investigation, that is psychological investigation. Why? To evaluate the appropriateness of the mapping approaches. So these effectiveness of mappings are considered when we are talking about data visualization by the various variables that are used for visualization of data. Now we have seen the variables. Now in the next section we will see how mapping of the variables is done to the encodings. Thank you.